All right, this is 802 Alamanda. There are two sewers coming out of the house. So this is the sewer on the left side. This is why that bathroom towards the back of the house works fine, and the other one is all clogged up. I'll show you here in a second. I'm pulling back through the house now. So I'm getting closer to the bathrooms. You can see the roots growing up on top of the pipe, just a little bit of them. All right, so here's our problem child right here.
I got it.
All right, so I'm at this combo now, and you can see I'm coming through the leg, and back behind me is where it's all broken. So this leg right here I'm in now, this is the other bathroom. Sonny, go ahead and flush the toilet in that bathroom, the working one.
Okay.
Got a guy downstairs right now. So that's why that toilet works just fine. So the other bathroom is a combo, and the back side of that combo all the way in is completely destroyed. You can see where all the roots are coming in. So we'll have all of this marked out on the floor. All right, so find this spot, Sonny, and just put a piece of tape. This is gonna be, hold on one second. So this is 9, 7, this is 3 feet from the right leg of the combo. The back side of the combo is broken.
Okay, turn on.
So it should be 3 feet towards where you put your little combo arrow going towards the driveway.
Okay.
Just put a spot of tape. Did you put a depth on the combo?
Yeah, I got it. Oh, yeah, but I know it. I gotta write it.
Well, I can go back to it in a minute if we need to. All right, so we've got this figured out. We've got it marked out inside. This is just a PVC vent, probably when some remodeling was done. And we're coming back out of the stack. And I'm gonna conclude the video.